Okay, so there are three practice problems here kind of combined together into one, and it's to walk you through finding the surface area of a pyramid. So I'm going to do each step of the three-step process. The first step is to find the base area. The second step is to find the area of one of the lateral faces or one of the triangles on the sides. And then finally, step 3, finding the total surface area. So the first step, the area of this base. Now the base is a square, 18 centimeters, 18 centimeters. So the base area is 18 centimeters times 18 centimeters. So let's figure out what that is. 18 times 18, 324. So the base area is 324 square centimeters. Okay, so that's part one. Part two is finding the area of one of these triangles. So the area of one of the triangles is 1/2 the base of the triangle, which is the bottom length here, and then times the height of the triangle, which is this 15 centimeters. So it's going to be 1/2 times 18 centimeters times 15 centimeters. And let's see what that works out to be. So when you're entering 1/2, you can either enter in 1 divided by 2 or you can enter in 0.5. Either one of those is right. I like to use 0.5 because it's just a little bit easier to type in. Times 18 and then times 15. 135. So how do I know the units are square centimeters? Well, we're doing centimeters times centimeters. And when you multiply with something by itself, that's squaring it. Okay, so this is step 2, finding the area of one of the lateral faces or one of the triangles. Now step 3 is finding the total surface area, where you're going to have to add all these together. So you know you're going to add the base area, so that's going to be 324 centimeters squared. And then plus these triangles. Let's say you have 4 triangles and they're all the same size. So really what you're going to do is plus and then 4 times 135 centimeters squared. So you're going to have one base, and you have 4 of these lateral faces. So let's see what that works out to be. So you're going to have 324 plus 4 times 135. Now my calculator knows order of operations, so I can just type it in like that. Depending on your calculator, you might have to do 4 times 135 first, then add the 324, but you'll see right away when you get your answer. So here we go, 864 square centimeters. Okay, so there are 3 steps to the process: finding the base area first, finding the area of one of the lateral faces or the triangles, and then finally adding all the areas of the sides together, including the base, to get the total surface area.